Yeah. Boom.
You say mama? Mama. Mama? Dada?
Does he just love Jorge? Are they just buds?
Oh, yeah.
Ah, did he get in his mouth?
No.
Wave. Hi. Oh, yeah.
Eddie, be careful.
Yeah, he's got the stick in his hand, too.
Uh-oh. 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 Teach you a new word. You'll never get that one.
Right.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Hi, Hansel.
Walk him.
There he goes. Look at you go. Good job.
Don't put that in your mouth, silly. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. No, if you have to get one, you can. Uh-oh.
He's going to see April. What a little lover. Yeah. Go. Do you remember that? I want to see you on your bike. Can I see this? Are you good on your bike? There you go. Is that cool? Go, Eddie. Yeah!
Oh, more buttons. I don't know if we want to do that. No, Eddie, no.
Come on, over here with your bike.
Speed up, ready? Ready? Speed up. Oh, over feet. Come over feet.
Brum. Are you going to go backwards? Let's start her up. Get her in gear. Go, Eddie.
This is going to be welcome relief for you to be able to just chillax.
Are you having fun? Hi. Bye. Are you leaving on your bike?
The dogs are absolutely fascinating about this too.
I think I can even zoom in. He likes TV still.